Hello, my dear friend. So, you have completed the assignment and you have found out the truth of all numbers up to 99 is what I trust in you. If you're not done, don't break my trust. Please go and do all of it. And now we are going to start the cube roots. Now, when we are talking about cube roots, remember one thing. Cube roots, we are going to find the same way we have found out square roots, and this is much easier. Why? Now I am going to tell you why. So here before we go to the questions, let us see here. See here we are again need to remember the cubes up to 9. So here the cubes are there up to 9. We will see here, observe, like we have observed in squares, we need to observe what is the last digit here for the cube and the cube root. Last digit for cube and the cube root, what is there? See here, 1. Does it appear again here anywhere? No, last digit only I am talking about, not any digit. No. 8, does it appear again here? No. Just observe, and you will find that here in cubes every digit will come. 0 is not written, so I'll write 0 as well. 10 cube is 1 0 0 0. However many now cube is the power, that many zeros here, you know that 10 method. So now everything is there. So now what I want you to observe is, in the square, what are the number that appear? 1 4 6 9 5 and 0, which I have not written because that is common. So I have not written here. So 1 will appear as a square, 4 will appear, 6 will appear, 9 will appear, and then 5 will appear. There in square it used to be 25 alone. Here it will be either 25 or 75. This you can remember. The last digits of a cubes can either 25 or 75. And zeros will always coming in threes, not twos. 3 zeros are required if it has to be a cube. Now then here it changes. These, if you remember properly, these 4 digits will not appear in squares. They will not be the last digit, unit digit in the squares, but in cubes they are there. They are there, but in a different formation. See here, 2. If the cube is ending in 2, the cube root will be ending in 8. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10, my dear friends. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. This information is only for you to remember. Again, the reverse is true. If the last digit of cube is 8, then the last digit of cube root will be 2. Same way, if the last digit of cube is 3, then the last digit of cube root will be 7. And same way, 7 if the last digit of cube, then 3 will be the last digit of its cube root. So we can just say 2 and 8 and 3 and 7 are vice versa. They add up to 10 again. Okay. So 2 and 8, if 2 is there, 8 is the last digit of the cube root. If 8 is there, then the 2 is the last digit of the cube root. Likewise, 3 and 7 as well. 146950 will be same. 2837 will be reverse. That is what you need to remember. Right. So now we are going to solve some questions so that you will be able to remember. Now here, what is here? 4096. First one we will take. What is the last digit here? 6. So what should be the last digit of the cube? What should be the last digit of the cube? 1469. Remember, 1469 square and 1469 cube you will be able to remember. So cube root will be 6. Now what will be the first digit? First digit, what we are going to do? In square, what we used to do? here we used to get two numbers, 1 or 9 when it is 1, 3 or 7 when it is 9, right? And 6 or 4 if it is 6, and 2 or 8 if the last digit of the square is 4. Here there will be only one digit, one number. So what will be here? There we used to do what? We used to ignore last two digits. Here go because it is cube, so we are going to ignore last three, my dear friends. Last three. So what will remain here? 4. Again same procedure. What is the smaller than this cube here? 1. What is it? Cube root. 1. So the answer is 16. That's all. Nothing else has to be done. Can you see here? You have to ignore the 3. First you have to see the last digit 4. 4 means it will be 4 because 1, 4, 6, 9 will be 4. Then we will ignore the last 3 and we'll see the 13. 13. What is the cube, perfect cube, which is less than 13? It is 8. And what is its cube root? It is 2. So the first digit is 2. Amazingly simple. Amazingly simple, isn't it? 24, you can check it, no problem. If this is 2, again I am going to do. The last digit will be what, my dear friend? It will be 8 because 8, 2 and 3, 7 are going to be reverse. Okay, now what will be the first digit? Again ignore 3. 3 here and find out what is less than 21 is again 2 here. Okay, so I am going to do once more time. 1. 1 means 1, 4, 6, 9. It is going to be 1 only. And then what will come here for the first digit? 68. Less than that is 64. What is the cube root of it? Is 40. So 41. 41. Here again we are going to do this. 9 means it has to be 9. 1, 4, 6, 9. So this is here 704. 704 is what? The cube is 512. Lesser than 8 cube is 512. Cube root is 8. So 89 is the answer. So we can find it very fast. You need not have to do any calculation. Even that the first digit into next number you need not have to do. You will be able to do these questions very simple. Very fast. Is that clear? And if you want to find out any cube, imperfect cube root, it is difficult and you need not have to find out. Again we are going to use the same method. What we used in imperfect cube, I am going to use here same thing. What? Here a little bit of more calculation is required. For example, I will take 5, 6, 7, 4, 3. I do not know. This can be a perfect cube. I don't think so. It is a perfect cube, but still, I'll again ignore it. If it is a imperfect, now I am talking about what? Imperfect cube. Imperfect cube. And we will get what? We will get an approximate cube root. We will not get correct cube root. We will get what? Approximate cube root. Therefore, I am stressing here. So 56, what I will do is I will see what is below it. Below it is 27. Its cube root is 3. So 3 will come. Now what will come in the next digit? That is what we need to find out. So you have to again 56 will take and we will find the distance. So 56, 27 is the previous one, 64 is the, here how much is it? It is it 8? Yes, 8. And how much here? It is 29, right? 19, how much? 29. So 29, very far, very near to this. So this should be something like 38. This should be something like 38, I am telling you, here and there. Okay, is that clear now? Imperfect cube also you will be able to do. You have to find out the distance. Now again I will do one more so that it will be more clearer. Take any number that comes to your mind. Is this number coming to your mind? 7, 5, 4, 8, 7. I do not know. Or maybe I will write a 1 here. I don't know. So you can take this 3, ignore this 3 and 175. 175 less than that. So 175 lies where? 125 is here and 216 is here. Where is it near? 25 plus 16 is 41, right? And this is how much? This is 50. So this should be what? 175. So first digit is 5, we are clear. This should be something like 56 point something. 56 or maximum it can be 57. Are you getting how to guess this? And do you know guessing is the most important skill of a mathematician? So this is 56 or 57. Are you getting how to make it? So can you see here that if it is almost in the middle but more towards 216. Okay, so we have learned how to do cubes. Today I have to give you today's task. I have not written it here. I am going to tell you here only. So task, today's task. What is today's task? We have done 4 videos now. So today, did you get up 1 hour early today morning? Please do that task. Your personality will be totally different after 90 days. That is my guarantee to you. You will become the most successful person. And if you believe that you are the most successful person, you will become the most successful person. So these tasks are very well researched and they will change a lot. So now I am going to give you some unbelievable task. You have to write down. Today you have to find the time and write down 50 strengths of yours. What are your 50 strengths? I am telling you, unless and until you dig deep down inside your mind, you will not be able to find out your capability. How much can you achieve? What is your potential? Once you start looking at them, once you start listing them, you will be amazed that all these strengths were there lying inside me dormant. And I never thought that I am so strong, I am having so many capabilities. And I was always blaming me. 50 is a small number, I'm telling you. You might feel, it might be mind boggling to you that how can I have 50 strengths? You will have more than 50 strengths. Start writing. Don't stop at 50. Continue till you are exhausted. Okay, it may take half an hour, but it is good time spent. So minimum, I am writing what here? Minimum 50 strengths you have to write and then paste here. When you declare to the world, you start believing in it. Okay, so 50 strengths you have to write down tonight and paste it in the comment box. Don't write your strengths, only the photo, right? Okay, so have a nice day, do all the questions and improve yourself. Thank you.